Hi, my name is Kelly Casisto. I'm a registered nurse. I have my MSN in nursing education, and I am an assistant professor of nursing for Siena Heights. Okay. My classes are like what I would say highly interactive. We I use methods of lecture for real foundational nursing theory that is important for the nursing students. Plus we engage in rather robust conversations and discussions, and I use simulation, and we do unfolding case studies and questions, and it's highly interactive. I believe we prepare students to enter the nursing field by getting them to think about thinking. In other words, how do we get students to think critically and reason critically when they're thinking about using evidence-based practice for nursing? We really help them engage in discussions. We help them through reflection and contemplation think about a lot of different nursing issues. I think that really helps prepare students for practice. I like to think that our Siena Heights nursing school is different from others in a way that we are very intentional about the student being successful, and that we give them tools to think about how they're going to work in a very dynamic and challenging healthcare industry. We also help them to develop and to think about how they use their own gifts and talents and encourage that. We do something a little bit different here at Siena in terms of helping our students engage in learning and helping them think about how they're going to use their competencies in terms of taking care of the older adult. And so I went to Minnesota State University, and the Hartford Foundation and Minnesota State University had a grant, and they are very intentional about people getting to think about how we can impact the older client, the older patient. I like to use the word patient because that's what we do. We take care of patients. And so how do we help build that awareness, and how do we teach students to learn more about the older adult? So for me, it was my challenge to come up with a project, and so I decided after thinking about it after a while and talking to some of my colleagues that I really wanted to be interprofessional across the campus and use other disciplines to not only engage them and to help them learn more about the older adult, but to help our students, and so that we could all work together. So we asked theater if they would like to be involved, and we asked social work if they'd like to be involved. And we used a simulation case that comes from the ACEs in the National League of Nursing. So we used this simulation that came from the National League of Nursing, and we asked our theater students to be our patients, and they took the role of the patient and the family. And we used our social work students as social workers because they had some outcomes. All three of our divisions had outcomes for our students to meet. And so the social worker played the social worker. Our students, of course, were the nursing students, or actually the nurses. And the theater students played the roles of particular older adults. So it was awesome. It was very engaging. The students learned about themselves. We debriefed, we showed them the video. They were able to see, gee, what did I do really great? What could I do better the next time? And how can I improve in different areas? Perhaps maybe communication, or how do I give directions or instructions to patients, and how do social work students include the family and discharge planning. So it was highly interactive. It was awesome. The theater students stayed in their role. My students actually believed they were the patients, and so did the social workers. And it was just a great collaboration across the disciplines and across the campus here. So it was really good, and the students met their outcomes. This year was the second year that we did it, and it was better than the first, of course. We ironed out some things, and it was great. The most important thing is we are so committed to each individual student's success. I guess I can't express that enough. We really are. We do a lot of one-on-one when we have to. We are always involved with our students. Our class sizes are smaller, so we are very devoted to helping the student. And I think the one thing I really like about our program is that we really respect each student's station in life.